All right, ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? It's Dr. Greg McLeod, the Lead Traders University. We're about to get started with our live trading right here. We're going to, here we go. There we go. Okay. And we're going to get a chart set up and get some more space here. More space. We want to see all this. And then let's invite some of our crew in here. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. Hope you guys are doing well today. Oh. Okay. Hope you guys are doing well. This is Dr. Greg McLeod here from Lead Traders University. I'm going to turn my camera on. Let's get some light going, nice and bright. Okay. And we are going to be looking at the market. We're going to go through our strategic checklists. I'll pull up my checklists, right? We have our Lead Traders checklist. And we're going to go through, and then we're going to set up our trading mindset with a directed affirmation. So we're going to recite this affirmation. I easily find winning trades. My mind is clear and open to prosperity and abundance. I feel calm, confident, and I know what to do in all situations. And take slow, deep breaths. We also want to avoid trading while upset, sad, sick, or distressed, or in pain. Or under the influence of any foreign substance. You want to be clear, neutral mind when you approach the markets. So you want to check your mind, then you want to check your equipment, make sure your devices are charged, updates are scheduled for times that you're not trading. You don't want a Windows update to come through. And while you're in the middle of the trade, I've had that happen to me, and boy, it's a pain in the butt, Well, we got 57 of 75, and 1% completed, and then you get that blue screen, and you have trades going on, right? So you want to have your phone as a backup, have some type of backup. I like trading with my laptop. That way I have a built-in backup battery, and I can tether it to my phone for a backup internet. So I have backup internet, backup power. Then I want to check my economic calendar for high-impact news, look at what countries are releasing news there, and those would be the most liquid opportunities. We're going to use the economic calendar and my market heat map, okay? And then we're going to check for global headlines. We're going to make sure that we're not trading. There's a middle of a war. I mean, seems like we're always in a war, but if something new breaks out, it can impact the move of the market, just like we had the FOMC that did interest rate announcement, and everything went crazy. We had all kinds of volatile movement that happened at 2 p.m. Eastern time as they kept rates unchanged. They didn't hike them, they didn't cut them, they kept rates the same, and that caused a big gyration in the market. So you want to check, not to trade like an ostrich will stick its head in the sand. And you don't want to be the trader that sticks their head in the sand and be totally ignorant of what's going on in the world, okay? Doesn't take a whole lot. I don't like watching a lot of news. Most of it's very depressing. But you just want to put your finger on the pulse of the market and know what's going on, right? You want to check, so you can use My Market Heat Map. There's a streaming financial news feed there, www.mymarketheatmap.com. And I think there's a 50% off coupon there. But on the front, there's a heat map and also an economic calendar. You want to check the global stock market indices, what happened during the New York session. Whatever session you're trading on, you want to look at the session previously to make sure that you are, not being caught off guard. Because sometimes whatever the mood is, like the market was selling off today, because of Microsoft missing earnings and Tesla, Elon Musk getting his pay package denied, and he's threatening to leave Tesla. So the whole sector, the whole NASDAQ and tech sector was taking a dive, which is not the best environment if you're trying to be long Aussie, long euro, long pound, right? It's risk averse, but things like pound Aussie and euro Aussie seem to skyrocket. You want to check the global indices again. You want to check the dollar index, and usually the dollar drops when we have good news, and rises when we have bad news. And then we want to check our 4-hour trends, and we can do all that with the My Market Heat Map. If you ever need more help with that, you can always schedule a time with me. I have a strategy call, and we can take a look at your trading and how you approach the market. But we've gone through the market, we've gone through checklists. So let's go through those things that we looked at. But we want to look at we go CNBC.com, and we can check the indices really quickly. We just click CNBC, and we can see we're getting rid of the later. The futures are up after, but the actual markets, U.S. markets, were actually they were down, I think. Yeah, they were all very, very bearish in the red, right? And then we can also check out any, we can go to Bloomberg.com, check out some indices, take out any big headlines. Fed Powell cements pivot, but pushes back on timing. So basically, he's like saying, hey, we're not going to cut rates until like May. Musk says Tesla to hold shareholder vote to incorporate in Texas. Okay, so Elon Musk is going to move his company from Delaware to Texas. Okay, and wind farms are overstating their output, and consumers are paying for it. Okay, all right. So nothing seriously other than Elon is not going to be the richest person in the world. Okay, so let's go ahead and we can go to a news feed. Let's go ahead and go to our charts. We want to look at check our strategy, check what's going on. I'm wearing my gold hat. If you can see, I got this gold and beyond, right? Let's gold, right? So I got this really cool hat. Don't ask how I got it. It just magically appeared. So anyway, let's get to the charts. Okay. Let's take a look at gold, right? Okay. So we're looking at gold. This is XAU USD. And I'm just going to look at when I'm scalping, I'm just going to look at a 30-minute chart. I'm not really gonna, we can walk it back from a weekly. The weekly we're in an uptrend, a very strong uptrend, in fact. A little bit of a pullback from an all-time 5,000-year high at 2152.59, and we pulled back to the 21 moving average. Of a 2113 moving average here, we're bouncing off support at 2014. We're currently trading at the 2034 spot 58. And we can just walk it down. I don't spend a lot of time on the super higher time frame. I just want to get an idea. So I'm just looking, and this is pulling back and doing the same thing on the 4-hour dealer charts. We call 4-hour charts, 1-hour chart. Nice bounce, still bouncing, still looking good. 30-minute, okay, so where it gets janky right here. 30 minutes moving down, right? And also the 15 seconds moving down too. That was our trigger chart. So I probably don't want to short this, but I don't want to go long either. So I'm going to find something nicer. I'm just going to jump to our not crypto. We would, right? No, not today. I was going to go to the Forex market. Forex majors, so I want to go all Forex, right? All right, and I'm just going to look for, and we can go to our heat map. We can either use the internal one here, and it's fairly accurate. Pound Aussie's up to 0.31%. It's the highest one. You go to my market heat map, it's probably something similar, right? So yeah, pound Aussie, euro Aussie, right? And yeah, Euro Aussie. Yeah. You want to see my Euro Aussie trade, guys? You want to see my Euro Aussie trade? You'll be shocked, right? Oh, can you see my Euro Aussie trade? Yeah, I spiked that. I'm like going, I'm gonna hit this thing hard, right? I mean, I on the 15-second chart, it's not even, you can't even see where I got in. 1 minute. There you go. There you go. There we go. Huh. Can we make it 30,000? Can we get 30,000? I'm gonna take a Giazzo. There's 30,000. I'm taking it. Oh, that, that, that. Come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. We're out. We're out. Nice. Oh, no. Okay. Oh. So we kind of, so we hit that. Yeah, I stacked into that one. I was wanting to see where I got in. That's where I got in. Uh-oh. I mean, I got in. I got in before I went to church. Um, I just stacked into this dip. Like, you're gonna give this to me? You're gonna give it to me, right? It's like I at a discount. Like I just took a Fibonacci in reverse. I go, let me hit this thing at the 2.24 expansion, like that. Boom, hit me, ring the bell, and then boom. And I said, okay. I got out, and like I got out here, and I got back in again. I got back in here, right, and then it just moved sideways, and then it just ramped up right here at 23, about 11. About 11, it ramped up and it kept going, right? Because it's, bad. It goes in the opposite, it goes in the same direction of the US dollar. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah, I don't think we're done yet. I don't think oh, I didn't want to go that large. All right. Well, we are. We're super large. I'm probably just gonna scalp that for just a little bit. Look, just a little bit. Look at that. You can get Euro Aussie. Oh, where is our other top secret tool here? Yeah, like I think I took some. Yeah, so maybe we took a picture and said cheese, smile. Oh, you can't. I got this green line here. Okay. All right. What was the thing I was looking for? Oh, I forgot what I was looking for. Oh yeah, that's it. I'm marking that. Move this down. Right. I'm gonna log in and then go to, you can go to the all forex pairs. And look, you got Euro Aussie, dollar South African Rand, and pound Aussie are the top spots, up about a third of a percent. And also all the yen pairs are super bearish. Swiss yen, Aussie yen, Turkish lira yen. Aussie CAD yen are all down. On the Aussie yen, is really down. Aussie yen might be good for some shorts. But looks we look at Aussie, it's red. Red means downtrending. Green means uptrending. I actually had someone ask me, "How do you use the heat map, Greg?" Um, Green means up, red means down, and gray stay away. He's like, yeah, yeah, you can do it. Look, there it is. Oh man, oh man. All right. One candle. Is it too late to jump in? I mean, it may be bottoming here, but let's see. Let's see if we can get 10 pips out of it. That's 2 pips. So I get 10. And that's 5. That's 9. That's 9.8. That's like 10. Okay. Stop loss. 5. 5 pip stop loss. $100 a pip. Right. So you have a nice little risk reward there. Risk reward. It's going the wrong way. It's kind of consolidating here, like it's doing its thing. Oh, wrong way. No, I don't want you to go that way. I was talking, maybe it could be a Freudian slip. It could be a warning. Hey, Greg, you're going the wrong way. No, man. Higher time frame is down, bro. Well, I'm cheating. How are you cheating, Greg? I'm looking at this guy's paper over here, and he's pointing straight down. So I'm going to copy off what he's doing. This guy over here. Oh, Lou, Daddy's home. Daddy's here. Hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, we're short the Australian dollar versus Japanese yen at 96.01. Our target's 95.86. Let's get this show on the road. Woohoo!
Sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. No, no.
And I'm gonna check YouTube to see any folks are there. I know who I am. My name is Dr. Greg McLeod, and you are scalping with Greg here, Elite Traders University. Normally, it's a private session. Oh my god! Yeah, normally it's a private session. Anybody saying anything? Maybe get to my channel. Hey, I'm saying let me make sure I'm mute.
Normally, say yeah.
Oh, Doji Dude's here. Good morning. What's the good word? Hey, Cut the Rope is there. All right. Nice to see you. Doji Dude. Peace and pips to you. You're in euro dollar? A euro dollar short, right? Do You must be crushing it. It's down, right? Well, I'm gonna pull euro dollar up because Doji dude's there. Yeah, look at that. Hey, Arnie's there. What's up, Arnie? Hey, hey, hey. In the beautiful state of Texas. Yeah, look at that. Lower swing lows and lower swing highs. You know, you go to a dealer chart, go to a 4 hour. Let me move all the drawings there. Boom. Yeah, this baby. We got some old low down here in the spot 741 area. And so that's a goodly amount of pips. Oh yeah. Yeah, the Fed's basically said they're not gonna cut rates. So what's they gonna do? And seasonally, the dollar rallies in February anyway. The whole stock market crashes in February. So we have a so if you look at the DXY, look at that. DXY is large and in charge. Let me get rid of the Bollinger Bands so I can't. It's fog. It's like fog. Oh. And look at that. That's the US dollar index. And the dollar index moves in the opposite direction of the euro, right? In fact, the euro is called the anti-dollar. So by Fed Powell doesn't want the stock market to start heating up, right? So we've got some up. Let's go here. 63. That happens every year in the stock market. Been going on for like 63. It's like more like now it's like 73 years, right? Trying to get fine with. Oh, I know. Jeff. Yeah, that's it. I had it right. 63-year seasonal pattern. February is usually the worst month for stocks ever, right? For the past 63 years. So guess what? Today is February and everything's gonna get smoked, right? So that means the euro, the pound, the Aussie are all gonna get you were talking, oh my goodness. Lewis, we both had pastor delays while we didn't start on time.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, our assistant pastor was his birthday, so we all sang happy birthday. And it went a little bit long, so I didn't want to be rude and rush out. But,
Right.
yeah,
I understand.
yeah.
Again, my apologies.
No worries. I started we just started not too long ago. I started like 12:45 or so. So we were just going through the Fed speak, looking at the dollar, see we can compare. We can pop the euro in comparison. You can see, look at the beautiful inverse there. This is the orange line is the euro. The US dollar index is rallying up while the euro is falling down. And so we have a beautiful inverse relationship mirror of each other, right?
Interesting.
Right. And that means anything with the dollar in the back is going to get crushed, like BTC, USD, or AUD, USD. We're getting whacked, right? Everything's getting whacked, right? Where am I? Oh yeah, and then the Armageddon pairs, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, those rally when there's bad news too. Because why would Australia produces iron ore, produces everything you need for global growth. copper for pipes and wires. And so when the Australian dollar sells off, it's a anti-growth, you know, and especially if you're shorting Aussie and going long pound, it means that no one believes in the growth story. Yeah, risk off month. Yeah, exactly. A risk off month. And really, we get toward the end of February and everyone's like scared of stocks and stuff like that. That's where you want to maybe buy your Tesla, buy your Bitcoin. I think if we get down Bitcoin down like 32,000, you buy it and hold it. You just buy, because that the low in February is usually the low of the year, right? And then you just ride it up. Then you just kick back. Somebody's beating up tech stocks. Zuckerberg is like, oh, I'm sorry that Facebook is ruining kids' lives and Instagram is ruining kids' lives. Yeah, I was like, oh, okay. So everything drops, and then the congressman will go in there and buy up all the stock of the cheap, right? So this is our so that's the game that's played all the time, right? I can go back to the time when they're bringing all the tech CEOs, but not too long ago they brought all the banking CEOs, right? And then before that they brought all the cigarette manufacturer CEOs, right? They all had to appear before Congress. So they always find someone to bring before Congress in February every year. And so what you do is it's like, okay, great. Everything's selling off on the bad news. And then you go and then you can buy it on the cheap. You buy it at the discount. The AI stocks are getting hit. I mean, they're having stellar. Microsoft had stellar earnings, and it sold off. Why? Because people just know the game is just like November. You buy everything in November. That's the game. So they get the GI Joe of the Kung Fu grip, right? So they get the Christmas bonus. No honey, no money, no honey. So we have
No
to
money, no money.
you got to juice that market for November, and
Wow.
then Powell has to walk it all back. Oh, we're not going to raise rates for a while, so to tank it right February, like he's been doing. The playbook is tank it in February, say all the really bad stuff, right? Then all of them will run around and grab it back, on the cheap, and it'll rally. Then they'll do their cuts in May, probably like June or something. And then the game starts all over again. They'll do something in October. And I've been saying that I said, okay, it's September, October. Who are they gonna blow up? Before it was like 9/11, and this was now. Then look, October was the Hamas thing. It's always like, okay, what we're gonna do to tank the market so we can buy stuff on the cheap and then have a great Christmas. Like Gordon Gekko says, the public is sheep and sheep get slaughtered, right? And you remember IG Markets? IG had the red sheep. It's like, really? You think your clients are sheep and you're just putting it right in front of them that they're sheep? You guys remember the red sheep?
Yes, I do.
It's
Love those
like,
sheep.
yeah, this is a special sheep. It's a red sheep. And red sheeps are covered in blood because they've been slaughtered. Maybe think they think their clients are dumb or suckers, maybe. But that's why, and they dissuade you from trading. They don't want you to trade. They want you to buy and hold. Is it just so just bail like they do. They bail in January. They bail and they come back. you know, and then you could look at the defense stock, all the missile stocks. Everybody's war is a money making enterprise. Even when we had show a little thing. This is something I kept this newspaper after the attack on September 11th. They saw all the options that were being bought on the different buildings and things like that. What's going on here? Oh, we're pulling back. Got a strong 4-hour trend, but you always want to walk it back maybe the 30-minute, and the 30-minute still pushing higher. It's kind of vertical, right? And we haven't really filled this gap. So we'll probably get, the prices usually we cycle down and then into this value zone between the 21 and 13 moving average. And if we wanted to, we could add into that. But I'm probably going to I'll just put one position on this to not that many. Just gonna put everyone's gonna sit on it. But if I wasn't that heavy, I would just get long again right here on a break, trend line break. And speaking of breaks, well, yeah, Euro Aussie, that's what I guess that's what we're into. Okay. I'm going to do a 3-day challenge of a trading challenge that you guys can participate on. It's going to be during the Asia session, like 9 p.m. on the 5th, 6th, and 7th of February. And I'm going to put a link. If you're interested in being part of that challenge, you can register and get on our mailing list so we can send you the link to the challenge. And I can find it here. I know I can. I can type the word challenge. Elite Traders Live. Oh, okay. I can just bring the whole thing over. Okay. Really? Okay. All right. So this is it right here. Oh, really? Okay. Yeah. Are you ready for the Ultimate Forex Challenge? I present to you the free live 3-day Forex Scalping Challenge. An opportunity that's too good to miss. Monday, February 5th, Monday 5th through the Wednesday the 7th at 9 p.m. And you can register coming over to the website here. And let me pop that in the box right here. There you go. And feel free to share it with your friends on social media. And it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to get those who register, we're going to have a free traders checklist that I showed earlier. And you'll also get access to the recordings if you stay to the end. Right. Should be a lot of fun. You're going to be with my elite Winner's Circle crew, Lou and Lou Jr., as well as Ken and Hal, and the rest of the ETU gang will be there too. So don't miss out. It's like an open house. You get to trade with us live. Be there or be square and tell a friend. Share it on your social media. And let's fill all the seats. Let's fill it up. Be very cool indeed. All right. We got a little bit of pullback, trend line break, but it broke green but turned back red. But we have higher lows. We have some higher lows. And maybe this move is getting a little tuckered out. It's been going on for a while. One spot 6520 by one spot 6521, 1:19 a.m. And it is February 1st, 2024. And looking for like one more surge up. She's kind of tripping on the trend line here. And the distance between here, the entry is this. We're down 4 pips. This is we entered at one spot 6524, and we're at one spot 6520. So we're down 4 pips. And really, if we got that one spot 6514, that's 10 pips. I probably wouldn't want to be any but that makes it like a 1-to-1 risk reward. Let's see. We're seeing we're backing off the line here. Let's zoom on in. Zoom on in. There we go. And I'm going to refill, get something to drink, some milk. Milk here. Milk, please. I usually I bake some cookies, but I just went for the Nutter Butters this time. Stopped at the store on the way back. I'm gonna dip my Nutter Butter in the milk here and have a Nutter Butter while watching this thing going the wrong way here. Mm. Mm. And that's 7 pips right there. And this is the 15-second chart. Okay. A or 1, B or 2. We're down about 6 pips. Let's see if that tweezer bottom holds. Tweezer bottom down here came in at one spot 6516. Thirty-minute charts, very, very strong, just straight up. 1:24 a.m. Usually get up like a move around 1:30 every 30 minutes, 45 minutes. You get these, like the bots start activating. It is 1:30. It is time to buy. Buy. Right. And then on the 4 hour, the 12, the 8. Okay. 65.17. Struggling into this 23 and 21.13 moving out. Nope. Be testing low, not yet. Momentum is trending higher. Price is trending lower though. Oh, spiked down to 16 again. Inside day candle, usually a sign of reversal. Big candle with a small, see, there you go, there's reversal. There we go. There we go. Oh, you'd be able to take that red line out. Hammering out a bottom. 65.16. It's squeezing into the apex. Breakout.
Bye. All aboard! All aboard!
We got a long way to go to get to break even, but still. There we go. Come on back. Baby, come back. Any fool could see there is something in anything about you. I butcher that song and I don't know the words. Let's go. Oh, inside day, inside candle, reversal. Oh no. Maybe area 1, B or 2, C or 3 later. We got the 23, 13 above the 21. That okay, into the value zone. Deep in the value zone. Oh. Well, broke out at red. Okay. Move it on, move it over. Well, come on. There we go. There we go.
Bye, bye, bye!
Here we go. Come on. Come on. A nice little cradle. Wow. You need to take that high out. 65.22. Maybe a little ABC. $65, 18 by 19. Okay, my name's Dr. Greg McLeod. Welcome to the Bento Box. Do a little Asia session trading here. Got the Euro Aussie. The Euro dollar is the Euro versus the Australian dollar. On a 15-second chart. Living dangerously right now. $1:33 a.m. I guess that was our 1:30 surge, right? Our surge, our peaked out 128 and 1:30. Now we're kind of languishing. Inside day reversal. Ooh, retouch. Touching support. Oh, new low. Uh-oh. 16. So we're down 8 pips. Say 22 to 16. Oh. Yeah. Our cost base has shifted. Okay. Well, we're blowing through the. But let's take a look here where the Fibonacci is. Where is our? Okay, We're bouncing off a 23% retracement right now. That's where all that congestion is. The 30% retracement is at 65.08, which is pretty deep correction. I mean, not really. It's typical correction on a pullback. We went 65. That's 2. I get confused that fractional pip in the back. So it's not 25, it's 22. We're at 14. So we're down 8 pips. You know, it's like, oh my God, look, it's down 8 pips, right? It's 8. It's 8. The 30-minute, it's kind of I'm gonna take these remove the remove the fib. Remove, okay. There we go. See what's going on there. The 30 doesn't really give us a really, maybe the 15, a little lower the 5. See, the 5 actually is kind of would have told us ahead of time that this thing was running out of juice. It's still in a buy area, but we bought too early. Now it's in this area in between the value zone here between the two, and waiting for this to come back to the value zone would have gotten better entry. I mean, we hold it for a bit. It'll be back up in here. We're down 8.5 pips. So that 5-minute and the 15-second 5 will be your compass chart. We would have avoided this. Yeah, and if you have oscillators, if you're in ETU, they get the bear oscillators are all kind of turning down too. So we get to watch this a little bit longer than we anticipated. Maybe we'll watch it for an hour instead of like 15 seconds like a lot of our trades are, right? That's where the entry area becomes very, 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 very key. Okay. 65.12. Now we're 10 pips in the hole. Overall trend is still up. Tried trading wheat. Wheat was like, eh. I want to turn off the taskbar off. No. No. I got a taskbar down here. Taking up space. You're taking up space. Oh, no. I can move it on this screen. I'll figure it out. Touch pen, taskbar behaviors. Well, there we go. Oh my God, what's going on here? I can't see anything. Well, I'm back. We're looking at I know we're looking at this EUR UST. Did that drop farther? Okay, so where's that execution? I don't know if we fixed that. It kind of spiked. That's all. Doing a little reversal. Look at that. It's 15-second chart. Looks huge. Look at this. It's massive. It's like a 3 p.m. prize. Nothing falls in a straight line. There's usually retracements. I don't know. These labels are everywhere. Okay, good. I'm on the wrong drawings. Ooh. We can see. Oh, Aussie yen. Okay. Here. And Mr. Aussie yen hit the stop. Weird. So we're getting this kind of like Frankfurt fake out. Frankfurt market's going to open up in Germany's going to open up soon in about 15 or 18, 17 minutes. Germany will open up. You get your Frankfurt fake out. And then London will take it in another direction. So you see, you got the euro going in the wrong direction. How'd that move over there? Okay. Let's check the news coming up for today. We had the big FOMC news. You can see what's going to hit the wires at 8. But ECB President Lagarde is going to speak at 3 a.m. And no red folder stuff until we have unemployment claims at 8:30. Previous number was 214,000 people looking, filing for unemployment benefits. The number is supposed to roughly be the same at 213,000. Remember, the Fed, when they say they're data dependent, they want to have as many people unemployed, less people who have jobs, less people can buy stuff. And if they don't buy stuff, prices go down. All supply and demand, right? They're not going to come out and say that, but that's why everyone should trade. So won't be part of that game, you know. It won't be a statistic. Statistic, right? All right. 145. Hey, look at the higher time frame chart. Boom. Boom. Let's go. I know it's tempting to go short and go to try to play the reversal. I just the trend will bail you out. But if you're against the trend and it goes against you, then you have unlimited liability. Thinking of people who got short back here. Oh, please come back. Oh, one day I'll come back. I'll hedge. Oh, it's going down now. No. So, but if you're long, and it dropped against you, it dropped 2 bars, and then it just kept going. So we're leveraging the trend like a river, a lazy river, which we can sit in. We have ISA manufacturing PMI at 10 a.m. Eastern time. Hopefully, we'll be out of this trade before then, and I will probably sleep. Oh, we have Bank of England. Oh my goodness, 7 a.m. Bank of England monetary policy. Widely expected for them to leave rates unchanged at 5.25%. And according to the MPC scorecard, it says, but 0 people want to cut rates. 7 want to. I don't know how that. You read a certain way. It's like there was 3 numbers. The format, the votes report is XXX format. First number is how many MPC members voted to increase rates. So actually, you had 2 people that 3 people that wanted to increase rates. Still, so 3 people wanted to increase rates, 0 wanted to decrease rates, and 6 people wanted to hold rates steady. So it looks like baseball score with 3 different teams playing at the same time. So it's 2-0-7-6 or something. So you're like, really? You like you see how they vote? It looks like a baseball score. If 3 teams could play at the same time. Here we go. Closing in on target. Well, not target. I mean, we're closing in on break even. Okay, we can maybe zoom in on that and a little bit more activity on the 15-second chart. I might, I mean, it could get all the way up there, but the old height was probably going to be a more conservative target. Some of those big corrections, though. Oh, you scalped some EU cells? Nice. So, I don't know if you can see Lewis. Good job, Lou. Ring the bell. Now, I'm going to give you an applause. Let me check what everybody's doing on YouTube world. You took a buy. Oh, nice! Cut the rope. Took a buy on there. All right. Let me give him an applause. And how about Arnie? I feel a 50-second chart. Oh, you're just looking. Cut the rope. You cast in them nicely. Doji dude. He was on that short too. And that yeah. Let's take a look at the EURUSD. And we'll click that one. Yeah, look at that. Nice rally against the trend. It's that spike rally, right? So that Fibonacci in that 15-second chart. Oh, we hit the 786 Fibonacci. Rejected. Right? Is it too late? Is it too late to get on this train? Is it too late? It's too late, baby. I'll take it. Give me some. Give me some. I want some. I'm gonna maybe take 300. Let's go. Stop loss. Give me a. There we go. How about a 1 point? How about 2 pips stop loss? 2 pips. 2 to make 3. I get 4. Wow. Oh, it's going the wrong way. Maybe double top. No, come on. Drop. There you go. There you go.
The House of Pain.
You didn't really jump very far. He doesn't want to go down. I'll have to help it out, you know. Where's my shotgun? Machine gun. Ooh. It's probably shy. He doesn't want me to have it on camera. See, the moment I get off camera, like, there we go. Come on. I had to switch channels. I didn't like that show. Oh. On spot 6522, right? Break even. Break a little under break even. Euro Aussie and Euro dollar usually go in the opposite direction. Ooh, long way, but it's probably just a shake, trying to shake the bulls out. Inside day candle. Here we go. Hey Jamie, why aren't you in the room? You're in the YouTube world. I think it's delayed like about, I don't know, 10 seconds or something. Oh, you like to Doji did go sell. So that was funny. Here we go. I should. I want to hit target. See, there we go. Here we go. There we go. There you go. Pay me. Pay me. Oh, I guess my euro got stopped out or limited out. Come on. Come on. Go. Hey. Woohoo.
House of Pleasure.
All right. All right. All right. All right. Double top. Double top. Do we drop? Do we hit it? I'm not gonna hit it that hard. Oh no, we're gonna hit that. I'm gonna hit it. I'm not gonna hit it all like that. This thing, it's weird. You got this uptrend like this, bro. I I hit it long. Into the value zone. Buyers stepping in, baby.
Bye, bye, bye!
Ooh, big wiki drop. Long wick. Big wick. Wow. Catch falling knife. Ooh. Really? Push him down. Inside day, tweezers, inside day, reversal, reversal. You're gonna turn green. Don't be mean, turn green. There you go. Pay for that. It did. Oh, EU ending up melting, up melting. So when it comes down, what's it called? Down solidifying? I look. Your use of language is confusing to me. English already hurts my mouth. Let's go. Oh, jab to the in kick to the groin. Oh, three pip move. Wow, it's dripping. Oh, pin's still up. Inside day. Oh, retag again. 204. Frankfurt, Germany is open. Was tun Sie hier? Achtung, Achtung. Recycle this line. If Euro's melting up, Euro Aussie maybe melting down. But still. Trend line break. Like one of those diehard battery commercials. Who froze this car in a block of ice? Die Hard. Now, Sears used to make the Die Hard battery. And show you what you when you call something Die Hard, well, the company that made Die Hard is out of business. But I think Track Auto or AutoZone still sells Die Hard batteries. Oh no, this thing's gonna chime. Come on. Go. Got crossing and moving average. We have a 21 13 crossed above 21. And we're back in business. Let's go. Woohoo!
All aboard! Bye, bye, bye!
Oh, well. Look at that tag value. Tag, you're it. Right on the value zone. Come on. You can do it. Yes, you can. Let's go. Oh, A or one, B or two, C or three later. Is that setting up? Is it setting up for is it time for a Fibonacci expansion? This Fibonacci expansion has been brought to you by Campbell Soup. Drinks like a soup, tastes like a meal. So good you can eat it with a fork, but use a spoon to get every drop. Don't mind me, I'm spiraling into 70s TV commercial world. There was a TV station in I have my Alexa and it still has my Texas zip code. So it gives me like Texas TV. And on New Year's Day, it was playing like every I didn't know what was going on. It was like when it said like, oh, the Rudy Tooty Fresh and Fruity was like $1.99. I'm like going, what? I go and I looked at the hairstyles, and then they had like a Buick Oldsmobile Cutlass or something. I'm like going Buick 98, brand new for 1987. I go, oh, they're running all these old commercials. And it was just nonstop. It was like 12 hours of just old commercials. Back at this area here. Yeesh. I know I need to show my displeasure with this movement. sorry about you guys being sick. Yeah, Lou Jr. was telling me about it. Yeah, I gotta get the. I know Target was having like 4 cans for $1, and I picked up some. I have chicken noodle here already. Oh, we're down 21. We're at 14, so we're down 7 pips, and we have some support right here. Let's see if that support holds. We have another little level of support. This is 15-second support. Like, really? It feels a little though. 15-second support probably won't hold. It's not statistically like, yeah, watch. My whole thing is trading on the 15-second chart is that you're trading on these higher level charts, they're not really moving. So how are the Chinese making any money? Yeah, billion people who trade during this time zone. And they're not getting up to trade New York session. It's 4 a.m. You know, if you think it's 4 a.m. for us when we trade the London session, it's 4 a.m. for them. So how are they trading? Well, you jump to the lower time frames. Look, it's a whole world down here. Look, retracements and breakouts and trends and bounces off fibs. There's all kinds of stuff going on here. That's where Asia is. Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Philippines, China. They're all down in these lower time frames hanging out. And you're sitting in front of your computer, nothing's going on. But we're inside of this, literally, we're inside this candle right here. We're inside, swimming around in that candle. On your chart, nothing's going on. In here, right? Like sea monkeys. It's like Ant-Man. Whoa. Well, that support, it wicked through it. Now we've closed below it. 65.13. And we're going vertical now. 09. So here's this 05 area right here. That's a 23% retracement, and that comes up. It's coming up pretty fast. So let's see if we get a bounce there. That is, I mean, we got it at 21, and now we're going down to 06. Now we're looking like a 15 pips. You know, and the thing about it, well, that's a lot. Like, but when you're trading on the bigger time frames, what you got 40 pip stops and 30 pip stops, right? But you go down the micro world, your stops are actually smaller. I wanted to see what will happen at the open of London, see if that 3 a.m. do we get a push. See, now we've actually got we had a double top. That wick, I got out at the high of the market and I got in on this side of the market. So I'm on the other side of the trend line. My moving averages have crossed. So the only thing I could say, this is our, 3, 4, 5. This is a leg down. It's a big A, right? It's a big old A, right? So maybe we get a retrace, and the retrace might take me back to break even. Or what I could do is bring my target down because I know we're probably not going to get back up in there. We're probably on the other side of trend because we're starting a new session. I might say, look, if we just get back anywhere here, I'll take small gain, get out of there. Because it might drop Mike, now see, we get down to 30% retracement. Now we're talking about 164.92, which is another 20, 30 pips down. I don't want to ride that down. And if I move that take profit underneath and say, look, this thing might only pop up a little bit and take a calculated loss. But I'm thinking that we would just maybe come back close or to break even. And then that way we can flip it around and get short, at least to the 38% retracement. Oil giant Shell posts full year profit beat, announces $3.5 billion share buyback. Ooh, yeah, that didn't we wanted that to retrace a little higher than that. $2:18 a.m. Getting some profit taking. And this thing's been rallying ever since. I mean, I took several trades on it earlier. The FOMC came out at 2 p.m., which is like 14:00. So that spike was the FOMC. We spiked, we dropped, we rallied, and then we have a higher low, and then we have this break that we got right at 11:30. 11:30, this thing just took off. So it's been going 11:30, 12:30, 1:30. So 3 hours. It's been trending for 3 hours. So get something trending for 3 hours. It's gonna take a break. I don't think the uptrend is dead yet. Look at it. It's real. Here we go. Here it's coming up on this line right here. Right. It's 23% retracement. Right there, right? Right. It's tagged it. Sideways. MACD changed color. Boom. Yeah, let's see. 220. The people who got short, they'll start maybe they will start buying their positions back. Taking profit. In order for them to take a profit, they have to buy their positions back. So this may not be bullish buying coming in, but it could be just bears closing out trades. But when bulls and bears are both on the same side of the market, some good things can happen if you're long. You're basically riding their coattails. Hey, let me help you. Let me help you get out of this trade. Let me help you get out of this trade. All right. Come on. There we go. All right. Really cutting some rug now. We're actually moving on up. Yippee, yeah. Sell, sell, sell. Nice. Here we go. Come on. You're selling, I'm buying. That Euro Aussie and that Euro, they go in the opposite direction. $2.24. Here we go. All right, all right, all right. Oh. So it hit this 23% retracement, one spot 6505 exactly, and turned on a dime and bounced. I think it makes one more rally up. They'll probably turn back down. And hopefully we can get out of this trade. One spot 6514. We got actually a take profit one spot 6522. We're breaking some old. I mean, I'm gonna our compass chart. I'm gonna move it over so we can see. I have a bunch of trades here. It looked like it was gonna rally, and we were in the profit for a little bit, and then it was so. We have a gap down here. Maybe we'll probably retest this area here. 65223. And then it'll probably turn around and head back down. Come on. Inside day. Big reversals coming our way. Make sure you share the 3-day challenge on your social media. You can say, hey, I'm going to Greg's 3-day challenge, right? Should be fun. And here we go. Come on back. We're down 6 pips. And you can see we have a position. We got long right at the Fibonacci. So that kind of healed our position. So we weren't as negative. Now this is old support becomes new resistance. All this dancing here on this level, and now prices has to break back. Come on back. It normally start about 9 p.m. But I have church on Wednesday, so it will be 9 tomorrow or today, 9 p.m. tonight. 9 p.m. tonight. And in fact, if you come to our Facebook group, we have I'm going to do a Facebook Live. I'm going to do a Thursday Power Hour. And we're actually going to explore the My Market heat map in the Power Hour. So if you didn't get enough of me, you can join our free Forex group, Forex Cash Machine. To make sure they were here. This is our VIP group, the Forex Cash Machine. If you'd like to join, okay. And I can give you a copy of the link. You can join my free Facebook group. There we go. Tips and tricks and strategies in a really great learning environment. Absolutely free. You can join our community. Okay. It's really pretty yarn, my goodness. Ooh. Very sloppy, very tired trend. It's like about 231. Maybe we have the makings of a inverted head and shoulders pattern. Our time frame chart is looking kind of bullish. Nice. Doji D says, that's right, brother. Pippin it. Oh, it's coming back down. So weak, so tired. It's like I tried, Greg. It's like, yeah, let's see if it can stay above this low. It's barreling really real strong, man. We can put a fib on that. You can put a fib on anything, really. You put a fib on this to this, like that. 618. I'm not adding any more to it, but let's see if we get a reversal right at the 618 of this rise to fall. And see if that gives us a Fibonacci expansion target, right? It's bouncing. Look, it's bouncing. Let's zoom. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Off the 618. Click. Ooh, 100% expansion. 6520. 1.27 expansion. Can we hit the 1.618 expansion? Could we? Should we even try? I mean, this has to hold. There's a lot of ifs. We got to get past all that congestion at 65.16. But the 618 gives price magic powers. Boom. It's like trying to start the it's cranking. It's trying to crank. 618 is trying to jump start it. 50% is trying to jump start it. And they could be like trying to lure people into a short so they can take it north. Remember, the Forex is a stop driven market. It's driven by stops. So when there's an accumulation of stops, then they just lean right into them and people are forced to buy their positions back. And we have a confluence of fibs. There we go. Oh no, we're getting stopped out. I'm shorting. I'm trying to get down to the one down to the 38% retracement. No, no, no. Take that high out. Take that high out. All those stops. You have a whole layer of stops right there. They're order blocks. No, there's stops, right? Somebody's put a stop right there, right? There's a bunch of stops. Like gasoline. And that spark hits that thing, bam. Bam. Click, click. Oof. I don't understand. Why am I getting stopped out? Because you haven't taken Dr. Greg McLeod's mentorship. Oh, breakout. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Breakout. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, ring the bell. We need a we need to get out of this area though. We need to we need to
All aboard!
oh it's going down. So it hit the 618, the projection. It's flagging out.
All aboard!
Ooh. Oh, somebody sank my battleship. Oh, come on. Yeah, we ooh. Flagging out. Here we go. Boom. Oh. Yeah, you see that? So you can keep going with this, right? You can go like that, right? Expansion target, 618, 100% expansion, 65.23, 127% expansion at 65 to 25. The 1.6 when the expansion is 65.29, right? And then you have retracements from here to here, right? I mean, it just starts getting, you start getting nested. You drop to a what 50%, 618 spike down to 618. It just becomes really a like oh, too many pastels. Louis Pastel. No, that's remove. There we go. $20 to 3. You're with Dr. Greg McLeod from the EliteTradersUniversity.com. And we are trading. Well, now it's Tokyo is getting ready to go home. We got 20 minutes. We got the overlap between Tokyo and the German market. It is London. We open up in 20 minutes. A little changing of the guard here. Here I am, Governor. Go. Come on. Okay, we cleared out of the red zone. I'm gonna remove all drawings. There. Like, I can see clearly now the fibs are gone. And this is probably our original pullback there, so I'll put that one back. Again. There we go. About 17 minutes to 3 Eastern time. Almost 8 o'clock London. And almost 5 p.m. in Tokyo, about 20 to 5 in Tokyo. So Tokyo is they're gonna head home. Their trading day is, can you believe it? When, if you've been trading, you traded all their session. Now they woke up, worked, and now they're going to bed or heading home. And we're like going, yeah, what's the next session, right? Ooh, pull back. When we get to that 100% expansion, we get just barely above our entry. Market opens in London in 16 minutes. Oh, excuse me. $2.45. Any more? Yeah, remember we have the Bank of England coming out, so the pound should be in play. And if it reacts the same way that the Aussie dollar did when the rate announcement came out, it just dropped. They saw inflation was tame, and they kept rates unchanged, and so the Aussie, that's what's fueling Euro Aussie, the weaker. It lost connection for a hot second. Well, so we expect the pound would drop. Here we go. All right. Well, all right, guys. Oh, we're out. it's still going. When I go to Target, did I cut myself short? Still up. Remember that zone I was telling you about, guys? Remember that zone? Once you cleared out the stops, the Bears had to buy their positions back to the old high. Anyway, if you found this useful, helpful, well, we are. That's gonna be it for me today, guys. So, if you want to find out more about some free resources, come over to elitetradersuniversity.com. Come over to our website, elitetradersuniversity.com, and you get all the tools and training. You can find out more about mentorship, working with me for 12 months. We have a great program, and we're having all kinds of specials going on for mentorship. And you can watch a free masterclass to find out what we do and how we do it. There's also other resources such as a free ebook. You can register for the masterclass and watch it. Talks about who we help and how we've helped them and about how our system works. And if you feel a need to want to talk to me about enrollment, then you can go ahead and apply and you can register for a time there. Or if you're just still needing some free resources, there are some there. And if you're interested in just jumping in on our 6-week course, we have the Forex Foundations course available as well. Again, that's it for me. My name is Dr. Greg McLeod, and I want to thank you so much for being with me here on our Pip and Run Bento Box Edition. Ring the bell,